First 2 weeks, I had already fainted and fallen down on the floor. Hello everyone, I'm Prachi. I'm a professional pastry chef and a food content creator. I started this page on April 2nd, 2023, and since then I have been getting tons of questions from all of you guys asking about my degree, my college, my internship, how did I become a content creator, why I didn't join the hotel industry, and so on. This video is for anyone who wants to become a chef, who wants to be a content creator, or you are just curious and you want to know my journey. Welcome. Starting with a little introduction about my degree and my college. I graduated from the Culinary Academy of India in Hyderabad. So the name of my degree is BCTCA, Bachelor's in Catering Technology and Culinary Arts. It's a 3-year course. I'll give the link of the website in the description box below. There's literally everything mentioned here, the eligibility criteria, the different semesters, the courses, all of it is there in the website. And let's get started with the questions. So the first question is, how did you convince your parents? To be very honest, it did not require a lot of convincing. And back then, when I just completed 12th, I was very sure that I wanted to become a chef and continue my passion and turn that into a profession. They asked me 10 times, 100 times, ki beta, are you sure? Are you sure you want to do this? We've heard from different people that this industry is very difficult. It's not going to be easy for you out there. I want to do this. And they were like, okay, if you're 100% sure, we are with you and we'll support you. And that is how it was. Next question is, how did you manage to find something which is suitable for you? I used to watch a lot of cooking shows. So MasterChef Australia, MasterChef India, Amaury Gushon, Ranveer Brar and Vikas Khanna, Pooja Dhingra. The amount of happiness that I got when someone tasted my food and complimented me, it was unmatched. That's when I knew that I have to be a chef. I have to do something relating to food. Next question. Who makes videos for you? Nobody makes videos for me. I make those videos. I'm the one who edits. I'm the one who posts and manages my social media as well. So there is only me. So I like being alone for now. Let's see how it goes. Next, does your college teach you how to develop recipes from scratch? First 2 semesters are just about basics, from chopping a carrot to baking as simple as a muffin. For example, if you're making, they'll teach you what the butter does in the cookie, what the flour does in the cookie, what happens when you add too much sugar or too less sugar. They'll teach you features of every single ingredient and what every single ingredient does in the process of making a cookie. You bake it, you taste it, and then you do ups and downs in the recipe. That is how you develop a recipe. Next question is, where did you do your internship from? In the course of those 3 years, internship is in the 4th semester. It's a 16-week long program where you will be placed in different 5-star properties in India and you'll work there as a kitchen intern. So I did my internship from Four Seasons Hotels and Resorts in Bangalore. First 2 months were really tough. You'll be working 14, 13, 12 hours a day. There's no fixed time. There are no fixed lunch breaks or food breaks, washroom breaks, nothing. And again, that was completely my experience. It doesn't have to be yours. Did you go to a pastry school after your degree from Brand CAI? No, I did not go to a pastry school after my degree because I didn't feel the need. If there was something that I was very confused with, I used to just Google or chat GPT and I used to get some hints and I used to work around that and I could get the recipe. Next question. I'm also interested in pastry. Should I join a pastry school after my degree from CAI? I think it's completely up to you. If you feel that you've not learned enough in your college and you want to do an additional pastry course to step up your skills, you are free to do so. Suggest colleges offering diploma courses, how to get internship, what's the base salary after diploma. There is Lavon, they offer great pastry internships. There's Lavon, there's SEP, School of European Pastry, there's APCA. The base salary, it's not too much, to be very honest. So the highest position that you can get after completing your degree is a management trainee. The salary bracket was around 22 to 27,000 per month. Next question, which Eglis pastry school is best and which course should we apply for? 6 month or 1.5 month? I have heard very great reviews about SEP. I think they have a great Eglis pastry course I'm not really sure if they have a 6 month course or a 1.5 month course, but I think you'll need to check the syllabus. You can check the syllabus for 1.5 months and 6 months, which feels better to you. I do want to become a baker, but my parents are not allowing it. They say there is no scope in it. एक बार आप culinary degree कर लो, बहुत कम options है. Do it because you love it and not for the money. It will take you 8 to 10 years to become a executive chef. You'll have to work for a long time before you actually start earning some decent money. So next question. I'm also interested in doing a culinary course. Which is better, culinary or pastry, and from where? If you're only interested in pastry bakery, it only makes sense for you to do a diploma or a course that specializes only in pastry bakery. But if you want to, explore hot kitchen, you want to learn everything on how a hotel works and all of that, then you can do a culinary course. Next question. How to get into a pastry college? There are not too many requirements that you need to get into a pastry college. You just have to score good in your 12th. All of the colleges usually have a round of personal interview, so you'll have to nail that. My college, we had to write an essay about why the college should choose us. There was also a aptitude test. There's not much. Next, best colleges in India you recommend. I've already told this. For pastry, Lavon is best. I don't think anything tops that. Yes, it's a little expensive. Not everyone can go to Lavon, but you can. There's a 1.5 month course also. You can check that. There's SCP, APCA. I'll mention all of those in the description. Which hotel did you work in? After my degree, I didn't work in a hotel. First 2 weeks into the internship, I understood that this is not what I want to do. I don't want to spend 13-14 hours a day in that hotel and just come to my room for sleeping. But I wanted to have a life out of my job. First 2 weeks, I had already fainted and fallen down on the floor, and doctors had to be called and everything. After my college got over, I took my Instagram page very seriously. I was like, I have to become a content creator and I have to make content creation my main job. 1.5 years I put into content creation, and today I am so happy to tell you that content creation is my full-time job now. I earn a decent amount of money from content creation. Probably one of the best things that have ever happened to me. All that happens for good, I guess. If you want to become a chef, be ready, because it often requires long shifts. So while all of your family is celebrating back there, you are behind the stove making someone else's dinner feel memorable. You are literally on your feet all day, working in a hot and high pressure environment. When you are in a kitchen, your degree or where you come from or which college you go to, it literally doesn't matter. All that matters is, are you able to put food on the plate? The pay can be very low. It can take you years and years of grinding before you reach that position that pays you really well. I'm not here to discourage any of you. You are free to do whatever you want to do. It's just that after 100 people asking me about this profession, I really wanted to just come out and make it clear to everyone the pros and cons of it. And not everything is as glamorous and as pretty. If you have any more queries, please feel free to mention them in the comment section below and an answer. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and give me more suggestions on what more videos should I make. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.